Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope students you are doing good. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Statistics discuss कर रहे थे. Today lecture number 5 and topic is errors of measurements. तो students आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, अपना फीडबैक जरूर दें. तो let's start the topic errors of measurements. In the contents of this lectures, I will cover these two topics. First one is the errors of measurements and second one is the types of errors. First of all, I will explain the errors of measurement briefly. In the description of errors of measurements, measurements are usually recorded to the nearest unit, that is inches, pounds, etc. They are therefore seldom exact, mostly they are approximate. The difference between the measured value and the true value, however small it may be, is called the error of measurements. Difference between the measured value and the true value or exact observation, exact value. तो फॉर एग्जांपल अब कोई भी वेरिएबल, फॉर एग्जांपल हाइट से एक वेरिएबल है जिसको हम लोग मेजर कर सकते हैं इसके नियरेस्ट यूनिट इंचेस में. एंड फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम कंसिडर करें एक वेरिएबल वेट्स जो कि इसको हम लोग उसके नियरेस्ट यूनिट पाउंड्स में जो है वो मेजर कर सकते हैं. तो देयर आर सो मेनी ऑब्जर्वेशंस वी हैव, और एक ऑब्जर्वेशन जो है एक मेजर्ड जो होगी इसकी एक ट्रू मेजर्ड होगी, ट्रू वैल्यू होगी उस डेटा सेट की, और बाकी जो है वो उसके पास आपके पास रिमेनिंग ऑब्जर्वेशंस जो कि आप मेजर्ड करेंगे, सेलेक्ट करेंगे, दे आर द selected observations, they are the measured observations. So difference between the measured value and the exact value is called error of measurement. Now in the second point I will explain the types of errors. In types of errors, these errors are of two types. First one is the compensating error. It is also called chance or random error, and second one is the biased error. It is also called cumulating error. First of all, I will explain the compensating error. In compensating errors, if different individuals measure the height of a person, some individuals will get measurements which are higher and some will get measurements which are lower than the true measurements. Thus, some errors will be positive while other will be negative. The errors which tends to balance or cancel out in a long run are called compensating error or chance or random error. It is also called by chance error or random error. In this error, in compensating error, some of the difference will be positive, and it means that के वो exact values से कुछ differences जो है वो आपके पास positive होंगे और some of the differences will be negative. So in a long run they become cancel out and some of the errors are nearest to zero or equal to zero. तो इसको हम लोग include करेंगे इस type के error को compensating error में. तो this is also called chance or random error. Now I will discuss the second type of error, that is biased error. In the second type, biased errors, there are errors which occurs due to imperfection of measurement instrument. Suppose the yardstick of a cloth is not exact, that is 35.5 inches instead of 36 inches. The difference of half an inch will go on accumulating with every yard of cloth measured with this yardstick. Here students, yardstick is not exact, that is 35.5 inches due to imperfect of measuring instrument. There are the large number of observations and observations to observations that errors becomes very large and it takes accumulating pattern. So such errors which tends to occur in the same direction are called biased error or accumulating error. In this lecture students, I have discussed errors and types of errors, and types of errors में मैंने डिस्कस किया compensating error and biased error. और इंशाल्लाह ताला स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में आपसे मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा और आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर दें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़, थैंक यू.